is an opportunity of a lifetime. Wow.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can...
So finally, this is the ancient beast resurrected back to life, the Yamaha MT-01. There's unlike anything like this in the segment. There was nothing like this when it was launched. There still is nothing like this in our market. A V-twin 1700cc naked beast, brutal beast, the torque master coming alive. And thanks to this man right here, whom you've already seen, I share the passion for motorcycles, love for motorcycles with Naveen, whom I call my brother. He's also the doctor, the bike doctor, because he kind of resurrects these kind of ancient, immortal machines back to life. And that he does with a noble intention to, enjoy these the legacy that each of these machines have on offer. So welcome Naveen.
Thank you.
For once again on this kind of once in a lifetime opportunity for me. You made my dream come alive this morning. The weather is perfect, and the MT-01 SP. Tell us about this.
Well, this is a bike that my friend picked up. So he's a good friend, brother, like how I'm to you.
Yeah.
So this guy is to me.
Yeah.
So Madan is his name. He's from Vizag. So this guy picked it up, and I've seen the bike. I felt like this is something that has to be much more precious.
Yeah.
The way it is when he picked it up, right? Engine is mint, cosmetics are bad. I didn't really like the color scheme. So it's
Achha.
all black, plain.
Okay.
I don't see any muscle from the bike because it's plain. I don't see any curves, nothing.
So did you guys just kind of picked it up from a junkyard or something?
No, basically this guy picked it up, I believe, from Pune or somewhere. But bike is running perfectly fine, but cosmetics are bad.
Okay.
So this is according to him. So once I rode the bike, I said, no, there are something that we also have to work on the engine. So we started working on the clutch first. I fixed the clutch. So this has this hydraulic clutch, which is known to fail quite often because of the heavy clutch.
And
so that was fixed, and then I'm like, okay, let's get this really.
But that hydraulic clutch also adds to the muscle factor.
True,
right?
actually, yeah, you need some real power to use the clutch.
And you feel that yes, this is actually the brawn and the proper badass boulevard brawler kind of this thing.
Yeah, perfectly. So I got the paint work done, and I ensured that I want all original colors. So I picked up the color codes from the MT-01 special edition. So got those done, and I'm like, okay, this is all done. What do we do next? We thought of putting an exhaust, then I'm like, no.
Let's keep it.
The way this sounds is beautiful.
Beautiful. The rumble, that V-twin rumble.
Let's not mess around with that. Just keep it stock. Just put an air filter, paint, and that's all.
So another thing I like about Naveen is he is such a perfectionist, and when you are actually restoring these kind of legends back to life, you have to be a perfectionist. Every nut and bolt he kind of sources from somewhere, I don't know how, but he gets the original ones and puts them in place. So how do you manage to do this?
Well, just because I like Yamahas or I like motorcycles, so I take time.
We are 46 forever.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. So if you look at this paint, right, maybe if you can show, this is not decal. We ensured that it is black, red and white, all paint. So I ensured that we masked it, got it painted. So if you see, this is all gunmetal paint we wanted, and I got it done. So this is supposed to be silver originally, because it doesn't really go with silver and white and red. So I got this black. Again, black adds that muscular look. And after all this is done, I felt that the mirrors that came with the bike aren't really good.
Are doing justice.
Somehow Yamaha doesn't make good mirrors.
Okay.
So
okay. That's a bitter truth that just came out. Huh?
Yeah. And even here we got the MT, that legendary logo.
Yeah.
I somehow feel that looks like more of Transformers stuff.
Kind of.
Yeah.
But still, the dark side of Japan.
True.
This is the actual dark side of Japan. Look at this ancient samurai beast, or whatever you call it. It's like samurai meets Terminator or something, or an android. It's completely out of this world. You got a 6-piston caliper, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that has a 6-piston caliper on the front, and I painted the wheels to gold. And after doing that, I felt like, okay, the chain is not looking nice, and let's go for a gold chain. And I've got a gold chain for it.
Okay.
And I should thank Madan, because he never questioned on what is going on. He's like, bro, this is your bike, do whatever you want to, but just let's get this right.
The swing arm from the R1 shares the swing
similar
arm.
design, but not from the R1. This has a slightly wider swing arm.
Okay.
It's much heavier bike.
And they also say even the suspension is shared with the R1 2007-8
could be.
model, because I was trying to do some homework yesterday.
You might be
They
right.
say the swing arm is also inspired by the R1 and the front suspension. But apart from that, like, what are the tires you're planning for this?
See, as of now, I thought of going for Vredestein for a fact that they're extremely well priced.
Yeah.
I've tried them on my ZX-10R.
Yeah.
I feel that they are good, and this bike is something that we won't really do extreme speedings. This is a cruiser,
Okay.
so I don't really want to blow up money on Metzler.
They're more of a torque master, right?
Yeah.
So, what is one word, if you want to describe this, what would it be?
This is a beast.
Don't use the F word, man. Gotta beep that out. This was an interesting conversation talking about the MT-01. This is the SP edition. There used to be 3 variants, I believe. The standard one, and this is the top of the line SP, which used to come with Accra. But I think this is just one variant down, and they're trying to mimic or trying to match the SP spec. But if you see even this plate, the attention to detail is so damn good. Like, everything is paint, it's not sticker. So that's the kind of respect this man has for the machines, and I salute Naveen as always. Yeah, ride impression is coming up, so go ahead and watch the ride, and the cinematics would have come through the course of this talk as well. But looking for more amazing builds from you.
Yes.
And let us try and feature more timeless machines for our precious or esteemed audience. It's a freaking beast.
I'll show you the original pictures. When I started this project.
అది పంపి నాకు.
I'll show you.
Okay guys, so welcome to Dino's World. Welcome to the spontaneous kind of a ride and review of an ancient beast that has come alive. MT-01 1700cc V-twin. Can you believe it? Put together by none other than another a legend of a person whom I really respect. You've seen Naveen in the RD350 video. Now we'll talk to him more about this, but first I am itching to ride, really want to go for a ride.
And I didn't expect you to record me.
So let's go for a ride on this muscular beast. 100 bhp and around 150 newton meters of torque.
I'll help you.
Okay, done. So it's very well balanced, very well sorted torque master or torque beast. So still some work needs to be done. Tires need to be replaced. The brake pads are still bedding in, so you can't really push this machine. Got to be extremely careful. But truly is one of a kind, and an absolute honor to ride this MT-01. Actually showcased back in 1999, I believe. The Tokyo Motor Show launched and was available between 2005 to 2012. Oh, the pull is great. It's really awesome, and you can see the suspension is well sorted. These ancient raw creatures, is truly none like them. But this one, I mean, 1700cc naked sport bike. So when was the last time you saw something like that? So this crazy piece of engineering from Yamaha will always be an immortal beast. The rumble of the V-twin is like crazy. This is the same engine from the Warrior, the 1700 Warrior. This is an amazing cruiser, and the way this thing is balanced, the way this thing handles is very raw, pure soul motorcycling. It's like Royal Enfield building a naked sport bike, trying to build a naked sport bike, or Harley Davidson trying to build a naked monster. Oh my god. So damn good, so satisfying. Just want to go ahead on the main road because it gives me the confidence that this thing is far more enjoyable on good tarmac. Look at the pull. Oh my god. Yes, there are vibrations. This is not the most refined of the lot, but the torque, man, it's right up there. Can't really push the bike to its limits here. It has got to be careful. Oh, Gandipet Lake, is it? Wow, what a feeling, man. I don't think anyone else would have seen anything like this. So it's too heavy as well. Got to be a little watchful. There's 265 kilos of pure torque mayhem, torquey mayhem. Oh, my god, what a machine, man. Getting to ride these ancient beasts is an opportunity of a lifetime. Wow. Oh, goodness gracious. Give me a break, man. Woo. Absolutely phenomenal feeling. It's like a steamroller with rocket thrusters up its posterior. Oh, raw, pure soul motorcycling at its very best. The balance is just phenomenal. And love the way Naveen has just restored all the glory that this machine deserves. I'm loving it. People are just going bonkers in the rearview mirror. What kind of an ancient beast has come alive on the streets of Hyderabad? Man, what a feeling. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, what a feeling. It's like being blasted through a cannon.